Mary, and the child is Jesus. Mary said yes to God, and because of her, Jesus was born. Jesus was the one who brings love, peace, and joy to the world. Mary is the fulfillment of God's promise. And so, without Mary's yes, imagine if Mary was not born, there would be no Christmas, no Jesus, no Sacred Heart. So that's why we are so thankful that Mary was born. And she did not just give birth to Jesus, just like most mothers or all mothers. Mary raised Jesus. Mary taught Jesus to pray, to love, and to be kind. And guess what? Mary is not just Jesus' mother, she is also our mother too. Mary loves us. She prays for us and watches over us. In her special appearances, she would often choose to speak to children. Before, when she appeared in Lourdes, she spoke to a young girl named Bernadette. When she appeared in Fatima in Portugal, she appeared to 3 young kids, Lucia, Francisco, and Jacinta. And so why does Mary speak to children just like you? Because children like you have pure hearts. Mary loves children deeply. Mary loves children deeply. Loves you and I. But let me digress for a few moments and let me just ask you, have you heard of Blessed Carlo Acutis? And where is Blessed Carlo Acutis on stage? Where is he? There, no? He looks like the one on the screen as well, no? He was a teenager who loved computers. Who loves computers or gadgets here? Okay. Who loves to play games like Pokemon? Who loves to play soccer, football? Many of you. And guess what? Just like you, Carlo Acutis loves that. He loves gadgets. He loves to play games. He loves football. But also, he loves a special woman in his life. Not just his mother, but Mary, Mother Mary. He calls her the only woman in her life. Imagine, the only woman in her life. And he prays the rosary daily. If you look at the statue we have there, Carlo Acutis, the statue has a rosary in his hand. No? And so this Sunday, Carlo will be canonized as a saint. That's proof that even young people like you can be holy. And so now I ask you a big question. If during birthdays we receive a gift, how about Mother Mary on Mother Mary's birthday? What gift can you give to her? Think about that for a few moments. Let it sink. What can you give Mother Mary? Okay? Now she does not need toys, does not eat cake, but what's more important is it is love. Love Mama Mary. And what are the ways where we can love our mother? First is say a prayer. say one Hail Mary, or even tell your parents, let's pray the rosary. Second, or drop by the chapel, our Corizon Chapel, and pray to our mother. Pray to your friends. Pray for those who are sick. Second is, be kind. Help a friend, a classmate. Share. Smile. Do you smile a lot? When you smile, you lighten up each other's day. So I hope you can be kind by smiling. Third, be helpful at home. Are you helpful at home? Do you clean up? Do you clean your bed? Do you obey your parents? Some of you, Father Irwin and I, would hear confessions, and I guess many of you would say, we do not obey. So I think that's one way to say, I love you to Mama Mary by obeying our parents.